Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Our tutorial on today's video, I'm going to show you how to give all this control to your screen in Google Meet. It's very quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and type in meet.google.com. Once you do that, start a new meeting or join the meeting that others gave you a link of or code of. Then all you have to do is go to new tab and type in remotedesktop.google.com/support. Once you do that on a screen, you can see two options: share this screen and connect to another computer. Well, you're gonna see a small download button where mine's showing generate code. All you have to do is download it. Once you do that, copy this URL, then go back to the meeting and open up chat, which is at the bottom right corner. Then all you have to do is paste the URL you just copied, then go back to that page. Now tap on generate code. It might take a few seconds, then they're gonna generate a code. You have to copy that code from this button. Once you do that, go back to meeting, add slash there, then type in session / that code and send it. Well, you have to attach a small message saying this link is gonna give you access to my screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you give all this control to your screen in Google Meet. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.